So Blade Fat Lady version 2, 17 square meter. It's from 2013, but it is very little used and in great shape. So I'll just go around the kite a bit. I pumped up the kite 5 hours ago. It's been sitting here for 5 hours and still completely solid. So no leakage at all. The kite has had one repair, which was this valve, because I was out in quite cold weather and the pump I had, the hose was kind of stiff, and it was bending this over in extreme cold, and it got a little crack in it, and so I replaced that with the Kite Fix valve, and actually put an extra patch over the repair, so it should be overkill, and it shows it's holding air just great. This little thing right here can just be clipped away. I haven't used the kite since because we're using the provided one on the kite here instead, so this one can just be taken away or kept as an extra. Again, no injuries whatsoever. Kite's been little used. It's not factory crisp, but the canopy is still crisp. I use it mostly on the snow, and a few times on the water. I find I'm seldom in the right conditions for this kite. It's either like too little for even this kite, or I can use a 12 square meter. So, but I did use it a fair amount on the snow last year, and it was great. I've been out with this kite when the canopy is sitting like it is right here in the living room. There's so little wind that it's not even pressed down, like this at all. But it's just sitting basically straight up. But if you hot launch the kite and get it up and just get it up in the air, you can be going quite fast. Now that was on ice with a small layer of wet snow on top of the ice, so it was a fast surface, but unbelievable because you almost couldn't feel the wind. But just did a hot launch and off I went. So it flies amazingly well in little wind. The reason I'm selling it is because I've gone over to a foil kite, and so that's going to be my light wing kite now, and I need to sell this to finance all these kites I'm buying. This is the bar. It's the original bar for this kite, although I bought it separately from the kite. The bar has like a little more wear than the kite, but it's insignificant. It's just a little cosmetic stuff on the bar. I really like this bar. It's really light and really comfortable in your hands, and it's adjustable. You can have it out here to have wider bar, or on the inside for a bit shorter, but on this kite it's always on the outside. But the bar's got a really nice feel. I really like that. What else? The other thing I like about the kite, I really like how they've installed these, because there's never any trouble with these like kinking when you're pumping up the kite. I use a lot of catalyst kites, ozone catalysts, and I really like those kites a lot. But sometimes these hoses, you have to kind of mess with them when you're inflating it. It's not a big deal, but I really like the clean look here. And other than that, I'd say that's about it. So let me know if you're interested.